Alrighty, I ordered the Da Bird for Clancy. There it is right there. Da Bird, the original, with new pull-apart rod. And as I am unboxing it, he is already wanting to play with it. I haven't even taken the rod apart, took the tape off yet. He's already going crazy. He already loves it. So I'm going to finish taking this apart, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, I've got it out of the box. As you can see, it's a very long rod, long string, and that is the Da Bird. This is an awesome toy. You swing it around, and it looks like it's a bird flying. And yes, Clancy goes crazy over it. Whee! Anyway, this is his very first experience with it. I imagine he's going to get more and more accustomed to it and love it even more. So that is pretty much it for now. Once we spend more time with him with it, we'll post another video. But for now, that's it.
Just call. And Rosalind ships my gold in 10 days or less, faster than anyone else, and that's important to me. You can also put your gold in a retirement IRA. So protect yourself from the chaos. Invest in stability with Rosalind Capital. What's in your safe?
Call now to get a free gold kit and get a free IRA transfer kit. And with a minimum order, get a free safe to store your gold. Call 800-370-8200. 800-370-8200.
Tomorrow, don't miss these top stories in the Wall Street Journal.
I'm Kelly Glenn. Experts say other people's
Clancy,
clutter bothers us most.
it's time to rest.
What can do to keep it from getting in the way of their relationships.